नमस्कार। नो योर सेल्फ एंड विन मेरी जो किताब है विच इज एक्चुअली मेक यू लर्न हाउ टू ट्रांसफॉर्म योर सेल्फ। आपको अपने इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए क्या करना है। दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली अ प्रैक्टिकल गाइड। हम लोग फर्स्ट चैप्टर में है। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट what we have learned in the first chapter. The first chapter talks about awareness. We discussed about two things last day, and today we will be discussing two more things today. What two more things we are going to discuss? Point number one is try and learn delaying gratification. If at all you can delay your gratification, then you will understand what all steps you need to take to improvise your result. Suppose you are seeking something which is maybe very important, maybe okay important, or maybe less important. But at the end of the day, try and understand whether it is actually worth getting. Means, is there any return of investment? I'll give you an example. एक example से अपन समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. You would like to purchase a car. You are already having a car, but you would like to purchase a car because that car is used in other home affairs. For you, there is a requirement of a car which will solve your purpose. But what happens? When you go and try and purchase that car, it's a burden on your expenditure. Understand whether you have started earning more than that. If you have started earning more than that, because it means you are able to repay the loan or the car installment, whatever it is, then only I think you should go for it, or you should delay that sense of gratification and go and purchase it in a later stage when you are ready. Try and make these things learn to your children. In this book, marshmallow test is being quoted, which is a beautiful example of delayed gratification and what has happened with those people who have already delayed their gratification. Read that story in this book. Number two is be grateful. Always be grateful. It is said कि जब आप थैंक यू बोलते हैं तो आपके पास चीज़ें वापस आने लगती है। जिस चीज़ के लिए आप शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं वो चीज़ आपके पास दोबारा आता है, एंड इट इज सीन इन एवरीवेयर। इफ यू गो एंड थैंक यू योर टीचर for securing good marks and you have passed in the exams, you should go and thank you your teacher. You should go and thank you your mother that she is making beautiful food and she is taking care of the house very well so that you can stay there. If you do all these things, what will happen? These things will come back to your life. It means when you are saying thank you to your teacher, you will repeatedly get the knowledge. If you are saying thank you to your mother, you will repeatedly get the right food, good atmosphere. It is said like this: gratitude attracts everything. These are two more things which we have learnt from this book. Know yourself and win. One is delay your gratification, and number two, say thank you always. Whatever you have, say thank you for that, and think that you have better than anyone else in this world who all are not getting all those benefits or all those luxuries in life which you are into. So be thankful. Two lessons we have learned. Next video we will talk of second chapter called favorites. How favorites has to be dealt with so that we can transform. So transformation का एक थियरी है अवेयरनेस. अवेयर होना चाहिए बहुत सारे चीज़ों के बारे में जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर में बोला हुआ है. एंड द सेकेंड चैप्टर टॉक्स ऑफ फेवरेट्स. इट टॉक्स ऑफ हाउ द फेवरेट्स हैज टू बी डेल्ट विद towards facilitating transformation within. Nice talking. Kindly put your remarks, share and like the videos, pass it on to others. See you in the next video with certain other learnings. Thank you very much.